vacations, okay, that last a lifetime. There's no expiration dates. There's no blackout dates. We're a B-rated company. We've been in business, established over 10 years. And so, I mean, we're a company, and these are real credits that you've earned. Now, do you know why you would be receiving these travel credits?
No, but I don't know that I can use them right now because there's a pandemic and a global shutdown of travel.
Right. We know that. I'm not stupid, ma'am. I understand and know that. But you got to understand this. With nobody traveling, these companies have to lower their prices so much to cut that loss. So this is the best time to travel. This way you're supporting travel, you're supporting your own country, and you're supporting, everybody through this pandemic.
Yeah.
You're getting everything at pennies on the dollar.
Please take me off your list. Just please take me off your list.